300 no day. How much was I'm Delicious Army and you're welcome to today's market vlog. So guys, today I will be cooking a delicious pot of onugbu soup. That is bitter leaf soup with just 6,000 naira. I know you'll be saying just 6,000. Yes, so with just 6,000. Our economy is not smiling, but let's see what we can cook with 6,000 naira. Okay. To not be 900. Eh? Give me one. Can I buy one? Make I see the head. How much are that one of 300 no day. 500. How much last? 400 no buy. What? 400 no buy. Now this one big fast. And how many one? Give me crayfish. The crayfish too they cost. I don't know it's happen. I don't want this one where you don't select. I want the way you never select. Give me 300 that one. You know get bitter leaf where the long one. Can I be this? When you wash this one? Fresh one. Which day you wash it? I used to my day to wear. Post them online. I will tell them say I cook bitter leaf soup. This one, so yes. That's why they do. I'm telling you. Give me a 300 to make I see us. Ready soup. You know if you see for me. So I'll go anywhere soon. He said go somewhere. Oh yeah, give me where your cocoyam? You don't get banga. Okay, mama. All the food is ready. I don't want. I tell you, correct food. Correct food. Me, I know they cook onugbu with ofo, cocoyam and banga. Yes. May I see the crayfish 300? Okay. 300. Yeah, no calculate. So this one like this, 400. Crayfish 300. That's 700. So this is the onugbu crayfish. Yeah, give me the banga. One dairy cap, yeah, not be 500. Hey, mama. When dairy cap becomes 700. Give me 600. We want pursue me. Give me 600. Give me 600. That's so that go buy. I don't go buy and sell.
I'll pay 800.
So we can
What
pick.
is it?
Oh yeah, put. And my face be that one.
That is like you don't mind. Look at my black one.
Hey guys. I hope they say this one will reach the 1 kilo. Make no come up this side. If I say pass, so don't reach. So just cut them into two for me. No, now the baby I go video, you know. That's why I put my hand down.
Two.
Yeah, two. The 2 block my carry and go out so. Hello guys, so I'm back from the market. Let me show you the things I got. Here's my chicken lap. This hard chicken. This is 1 kilo, which went for 2,200. This one 1,000. Here's my dry fish. This two went for 1,000 naira. This one 500. Then our crayfish 300. Then our dry pepper 100 naira. Our banga fruit, our cocoyam, and my bitter leaf, the star of the show.